have OpenSpan Studio up and running on my screen here. I've told it there are two applications that we want involved in this user process improvement process, specifically to eliminate copy and paste. So all I need to do is to tell OpenSpan to go look at that customer screen. It brings the customer screen up for us. And in this case, we can go and flag each of the items that an agent would interact with. In this case, username, first name, last name, address, city, state, and zip. We'll just do those few fields. But you can see in 30 seconds, I've added those 6 fields to my library. So that's what I'm going to do first of all, is to eliminate copy and paste between those 6 fields. Now let me go and do the same thing to the orders screen. So if I select the orders application, I'm going to interrogate that. That brings up the order application that the users typically interact with. I'm going to do the same thing. I need to interact with the first name, the last name, the address field, and the city, and the state, and the zip. Now I could go on and do lots of other things like automatically pull the phone number out of the CTI switch or automatically move special instructions over to the notes field, but I'm going to keep it very simple for this demonstration. So now we've got those objects added to our library as well. So in less than 2 minutes, I've created a way to do this. Now let me go and actually do it. I'm going to go to one of our automation templates, which is blank because I'm starting from scratch. And I'm going to specify from the CRM application that whenever any of the text changes in any of these fields, I want to move it over to the web application, basically the order screen. So let me pick each of these objects. And as we do that, what I need is the text change event from each of those objects. So I'm going to drag over the text change event from the address. I need it from the city. This basically means whenever the text changes in any of these fields, I want to fire an automation in OpenSpan to move the data from each of these fields over to the other application. So let me just drag all 6 of those over. So let me just do state and zip now, text change, and then the zip code as well. So now this is going to fire 6 different events at different times. And what I need for each of these objects is I actually need the text property. I need the text property for the address. I need the text property for city. I need the text property for the first name, last name, the state. I'll move these down a little bit so you can actually see this. And also, of course, last but not least, for zip code. So now I've set up the events I'm going to fire. Now let me go down to my web application and bring over, for each of these, the address field from the orders application, the phone number from the, in fact we don't need the phone number, we just need the city, we need the first name, we need the last name, we need the state, and last but not least again, we need the zip. And now all I need to do is join the dots. A yellow line shows the workflow. When the address changes on the Windows application, move the address over to the web application. When the address changes on city, move the city over to the web application, and so on. And we're doing this for each and every one of these objects. The yellow shows the workflow. In this case, I'm not adding any rules or any other details here. I'm just quite simply setting it up. So whenever the text changes in one application, it would automatically move the text over to the other application. So that's it, we're done.